We have tons of potholes here. I need to go get some EZ Street to fill them. It's raining New Jersey, but I'm not worried because I got my EZ Street. It's been a rainy season this year, and without EZ Street, these holes would have never been filled. Even with all this water in the hole, this stuff is amazing. You just put it in, fill it up, and tamp it out. Key to this stuff is compaction. That's it. Now we'll move on to the next one. It's that easy. EZ Street, showing potholes who's boss, even in the rain.